Ready to transform your website into a data powerhouse by embedding stunning, interactive Tableau visualizations. First, ensure your visualization is published on Tableau Public, Tableau Server, or Tableau Online. Today, we'll focus on Tableau Public, a free and easy way to get started. Open your desired dashboard and look for the Share button located usually at the bottom. Click it to reveal the sharing options. In the Share dialog box, you'll find the embed code. This is the magic string that will bring your visualization to life on your website. Click the Copy Code button to copy the entire embed code to your clipboard. Now, open your website's HTML editor. Locate the section where you want to embed the visualization and paste the copied embed code directly into the HTML. Make sure you paste the code within the body tags of your HTML to ensure it displays correctly on your web page. Save your changes, refresh your web page, and behold, your interactive Tableau visualization is now live, breathing life into your data and captivating your audience. Experiment with different dashboard sizes by altering the height and width in the embed code. Happy embedding!